I don't like it. I don't like it, this one. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Before that, do you like my shirt? My Lafufu shirt? This is jersey material. It is so comfortable to wear. So this is the shirt look like in front and at the back. So if you want this as yours, you may check out my showcase. Ada dalam showcase ya, yang ni murah aja. So back to the today business. So today I'm going to do unboxing this, and this is obviously Lafufu. So let's do it. And as usual, Lafufu comes with no box and just a plastic like this. I don't know this is great material or not. Let's find out. So this is the bag, the plastic bag. I ordered from AliExpress. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is so... This one is not high quality. The head is floppy, you can see. And it's supposed to be Serenity. But the tag is paper. The tag is real. But I can tell this is not real by looking at the ears and the shading on her cheek. By the way, this one is also Lafufu, but you can't tell this is Lafufu, right? Because this is high quality and this one is not. I don't know. Actually, there is a lot of Lafufu which is high quality like this, but this one is not. This one is so fake. It's the same material with the original one, but the face up is really off. I don't like it. I don't like it, this one. This one, by the way, I love it, even though it is Lafufu, but this one is no. By the way, this is supposed to be Serenity. So that's it for today. Bye. This is the Lafufu look like. I hate the shading on her cheek. And the ear is too short. Why? Everything is fine. The foot, the hands, the body, but the face is not quite right. So this one goes to my custom pile. Bye bye.